Hi, come in to my little office and studio. My name is Mirko and I'm an Agile coach and trainer at Flow Days. Today I will give you a little room tour and some insights how it looks from my side or the other side of the screen. I recently found the time to bring all my ideas for improving my setup to life. Long story short, it's much cleaner and the minimum space I have is optimally used. Not so important, but also nice, is the cable management. It's much better now too. The biggest change though to my previous setup is definitely how I use my screens. Inspired by streamers, I now have a control center on my big screen, a 34-inch ultra-wide Samsung that is mounted vertically, while the MacBook Pro 16-inch became the content screen. Below my main camera is the iPad mini, where I run Zoom so that I always could keep eye contact with my audience. In terms of cameras, I'm trying to give my students different views. As told, the front camera, a Logitech C920, is my main camera. Beside that, I use another C920 to catch my drawing, and two more old iPhones with the OBS Cam app to have a side and background view. As I learned in the past 2 years, a good camera can't compensate good lights. So you better invest in lights than the other way around. During the day, I use the window as a diffuser. The main light is an Elgato key light on the right, supported by a spotlight on the opposite angle. This separates me from the background and gives some nice glow on my left side. Originally I used a second Elgato key light, which became unnecessary as my big monitor functions as kind of a second light now. To give some ambiance, I'm using several Philips Hue lights and string lights, which are dimmable and even could change colors. Another important aspect is sound. I recently changed from the Note NT1, which is an excellent mic, and the Go XLR with this little nice faders to the Elgato Wave 3 and its software-based mixer Wavelink. This setup runs entirely on Mac OS and gives me a much more minimalistic setup I can carry around and even use as I'm traveling. My absolute favorite tool is the Elgato Stream Deck. I actually use two of them. It helps me to switch cameras, scenes, arrange all windows with the press of a button. I'm curious what gear you're using while you're online classes and talks. Please also let me know if you saw something interesting in my setup you want to know more about. In any case, hit that like button and write a comment so that others could get inspired as well.